When retailers are faced with losses due to theft, traditional locking key systems and combination locks present significant challenges, including key loss, duplication risks, posting of combinations online, and difficulty in managing access. Good to Go, in partnership with Autoslide, eliminates these problems and unlocks sales with a frictionless digital credentialing system that issues real-time secure access to employees and customers. No apps to download, no waiting for assistance, and no remembering access codes. Just quick, secure entry with real-time controlled access for customers or staff. Every request generates a unique one-time use digital credential, acting as a digital ID that logs every device and timestamp, holding users accountable and deterring bad actors from targeting these products. Autoslide provides timed access, ensuring doors automatically close and lock after use. With Good to Go's smart access technology and Autoslide's automatic door systems, secured products can remain protected while streamlining checkout, improving the customer experience and reducing theft. Let Good to Go and Autoslide manage it for you with automated swing or sliding door access. No need for staff assistance, punch codes, or physical keys.